Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me.
Good afternoon. Merry Christmas. So I have been up for just a little bit. I've been talking on the phone. People have called me and wished me Merry Christmas, which I'm grateful for because I'm alone. But today I'm going to actually decorate the Christmas cookies, which I'm very excited about. Spent all day yesterday making them. Then I'm going to also try to make some hot chocolate bombs. I'm going to try some Trader Joe's Christmas candy. I just threw on this sweater because I love it, and this headband, and I put on just a teensy bit of makeup just because, you know, it's Christmas. Yeah, so I'm about to post on Instagram really quickly, and then we'll get started with the cookies. I've been dancing around my living room, and I'm about to set up. This is Thea's Christmas album. It is so good.
My sister's here, my cousins too.
Merry Christmas. Okay, so unfortunately all that they had at the store was just white icing. I did buy some green food coloring, and I swear we bought red too, but it's MIA, so okay, because we have red sprinkles. And I have just some regular Degula Schmegula sprinkles too. And there's red and green and white in here, so I'm gonna try to pick those out maybe. I don't know. I'm excited. I was back and forth between if I wanted to do wine or mimosa, and I was like, I can't start the day, the Christmas holidays, without a mimosa, so cheers. Aren't these cute anthropology glasses? They were on my registry. Matt and I brought 2 of our set of 8. Cheers. I almost got like the cream cheese one. Is this how they're normally done? Like, do people normally put icing on like this? I'm also gonna make hot chocolate bombs. I think I'll be good on the amount of icing that we got because I was a little worried. I don't even know what a llama really looks like. I think it has like a... Oh, they're so cute. Are these gonna be my new favorite animal? I wonder why there were even like Christmas cookies of llamas.
Just what you mean.
Kind of hard. I messed this one up. I can still save it. Oh god. Looks like a ghost. This looks like a Pinterest fail.
Wondering just what you mean.
I think I'm gonna Google llama cookies, because then that's like more doable. These pictures of llamas are just like unrealistic. Llama cookies. Okay, maybe these are better to do when they are warm, so that way like the icing melts better. Next year, maybe Matt and I will do our assignment in New York City for Christmas. Wouldn't that be cool? I love New York for Christmas. This one's not terrible, so I've moved on to the gnomes. Gnomes seem like they're gonna be easier. Also, this llama who had the messed up face needed a nose job. Tried to give him one. Didn't really work out, so he's gray, because lots of llamas are gray, right? I am going to try to now make some green icing. I'm gonna put some of this icing. I don't know how much I want to be green, not like a ton, so I think that's plenty. No one's eating these besides Matt and I. I was gonna like be careful about it and give some to our landlord. They live like right there. We live behind their house. It's kind of weird if you think about it. Wonder what they're doing today. Wonder how many drops of this I need. So I just did 3 drops. Better not stain my anthropology bowl either. This is like a light green. I'm liking it. It's almost like a seafoam green. Now I gotta make his nose. Look how cute he is. I'm doing good, guys. It's cute. So this is cool because I can like pick out which ones. Are you listening in the lane? Snow was glistening. I kind of want to try this bag thing where you put the icing in there and then you like squirt it out. Trying all sorts of methods. I almost got the cream cheese icing, which I think would have been really good, but good thing I didn't because these cookies aren't as sweet, so it needs like this super sweet icing. But the cookies are still sweet, like they're not sweet. I wish you could taste them so you could see what I mean. I just basically plopped some icing in here. Let's see, I have a feeling this is gonna be like way easier. Oh, it is kind of fun. It's less messy. Maybe if I go like this, it'll look like a real beard. I think I did good. Look how cute this one is! This is fun. What if I do a green llama? It's like the Grinch. Tonight, Matt and I are gonna go look at Christmas lights.
Just what you mean to me.
I want to thank you if you have came on this cookie journey with me. Let me show you. They're done. It was a lot of work. It was a lot of fun. It's way more work than I thought, but it was still fun, and I think I might make gnome and llama cookies every year. Look at this.
Christmas tree.
My favorite one is probably the llama with the sprinkles, or the green llama and the sprinkles. I also like this party beard. This one might be my favorite. Look at that. Oh, that was a lot of work. I gotta clean this up, and then I'm supposed to make hot chocolate bombs. I'm gonna try out of this egg carton. We'll see how that works.
But oh, Christmas tree. More than anything, it's
Just to melt these 15-second intervals, and I'm just gonna use this and hope for the best. We'll see. I feel like that's enough. And I learned my lesson to pay attention to that thing. I don't have a paintbrush to like paint these in. You're supposed to like paint them in here. We'll see how it does.
this afternoon.
Oh my gosh, I only had to do it twice. I'm just going to drop it in here, smear it on the sides. Don't really have like a method to the madness or anything, but I think it's kind of working. See, I'm worried about the sides.
Sight to see.
All right, so this is what it looks like. I think that's like as good as I'm gonna get. I just hope that the sides stay coated. So these are going in the freezer.
Without the joy that's
Cross your fingers. Okay, I'm gonna have just one more mimosa. Just one more. I like my mimosas with very little orange juice. Like, I've had mimosas the past 2 mornings, and look how much OJ we have left.
oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just
I have a headache. I've had a headache like all day. I think my chocolate molds are working. It's definitely gonna be some like breakage, you know? Here they are, and if I just like push them up from the bottom, they seem to be coming out. This one's broken right there, but I think I can piece it together. So like, this work. They're not ideal. They'll work.
oh, Christmas tree.
I've eaten so much sweets today, and I don't even like sweets. I'm like a bread person, not really a sweets person, so I was like, this biatch needs a carrot. I'm eating carrots. Making me feel better. I think maybe that's why I have a headache. I've had like a headache all day. Matt just got off work. He works about 20 minutes away, so I'm gonna cook these because they take 17 minutes. So they're ready when he gets here. He's gonna shower. We're gonna make some hot chocolate. We're gonna like ride around. There's a neighborhood around here that has like really awesome lights. But I thought it'd be nice for these to be done when he walks in the door.
Oh, Christmas tree. More than anything, it's all the people around you.
Matt's home from work. How was work? Merry Christmas.
Good.
He wants the cookies. Wait, I wanted to take a
I'm
picture.
freaking want one.
You like it?
The frosting helps.
Good. They taste like Christmas cookies, you know? I wanted to set these right here all day. My Christmas greens. I've moved on to from champagne to wine. I had to eat a carrot. So I've been thinking about this all day because this was truly a labor of love about which were my favorite cookies. These are the top 4. My 2 favorite gnomes, my 2 favorite. I'm sad because I burnt these and they like popped. I tried to shove them back in there and most of them it worked out. I'm about to make some hot chocolate. Okay, so you're fully not supposed to put milk in these. They will like explode. So I'm gonna have to watch it, and as soon as it explodes, I'm gonna have to grab it because I have all of the pots and pans in the dishwasher. The milk definitely exploded in there. It's on the counter. I'll clean it up. Make these. We have some marshmallows.
Now what?
Put the marshmallows on top of. Oh my gosh, stop eating.
Christmas tree.
Oh, don't smush it like that.
Oh.
Gosh,
It's
I'm
hard to
going to drop this in here.
Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never
We're gonna start stir our hot chocolate with these sticks that I got from Trader Joe. Cute. I'm so excited to try these. Matt says the hot chocolate's like super sweet. But let's open these real quick.
Oh shit, there you go.
This is the hazelnut one. That's the cookies and cream.
Oh,
What do you think?
first one's better.
Good, but I agree. What's this one?
Not good.
Is it orange?
Butternut.
No, it's orange.
Pink flavor, I'm good.
No, it's not pink. It's mocha. You probably like that. What do you think?
Comes in third place.
Third place? What's the best? This is the first one.
The first one, it literally goes from like.
Then the
cream.
cookies cream. Then this one, which is mocha.
Celebrate, but oh, Christmas tree.
That's Coco. Got off this toilet paper roll. I made him open because I had to wipe my hands off, and now it looks like disgusting. So Matt and I have our hot chocolate, and we are driving around looking at Christmas lights and listening to NSYNC Christmas. Apparently in San Jose, this is like a thing to do. There's so many cars and people because there's so many Christmas lights.
It looks like this
Look
is
at all
the
those
road.
snowflakes.
Bushes are cool. It's very interesting.
We're catching up. Oh, what a
This is
year.
my phone.
Wow.
Oh,
I
Christmas.
was surprised by how many lights were in that neighborhood. I have the biggest headache literally all day. That was really cool. I'm glad we got to go see that. I drink all my hot chocolate and I feel like nauseous, like I could throw up.
Of family. Oh, Christmas tree. No.
Whipping up a quick Christmas dinner, just macaroni and the steak.
Without the joy that surrounds you.
Get that BC powder.
I can feel the taste of it on my tongue.
Good. Get it. BC, yeah. Round 2. Go, BC powder.
I don't ever want to take one of these again.
Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you